is Maya. I'm a student at CSUMB and a service learner for the Monterey County Free Libraries. In today's STEAM time video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make soap-powered boats. So let's just get right into it. The materials you're going to need for this experiment is a dish. I'm using a plate for this just because it's like a wider like surface area and I want to see like the boat like kind of like go from one corner to the other corner. You're gonna need some water. I tried to dye my water blue, but just so you guys could see better. And you're also gonna need some scissors. You're also gonna need some dish soap. You're gonna need a Q-tip, and lastly you're going to need some cardstock or thick paper or any thick material. I think like even like foam, like a paper, like a foam plate, one of those. You could probably use one of those too, as long as there's like a flat buoyant thing you can like use the boat, you can construct the boat out of. Okay, let's put it like that. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your scissors and you're going to cut out a boat. So if you're using a cardstock like me, you're gonna cut it in half or to your desired height. And then you're going to cut little triangles at the top. Try to make them as even as you can. Okay. And then you're gonna cut a slit at the bottom. And you're gonna cut this out. Oops. All right, so we have our little boat. Let me just even mine up a little bit. Okay, so here is our boat. It's very much like a boat. So what you're gonna do now is you're going to put this off to the side and you're gonna prep your Q-tip, cotton swab, or toothpick. And you're going to dip it in some dishwashing liquid. Not too much. This is a pretty good amount. You don't even need this much, honestly. Now you're going to place your boat onto your surface of water. Make sure it doesn't sink immediately. Okay. And then, what? That was weird. And then after that, you're going to put the dish soap right over here and it should start moving. And you can mess with it around until it like gets really soggy, but I think mine already got pretty soggy. All right, let's try again. That was fun. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing. Take our piece of scrap paper, make it into a boat. So we have another boat. We're gonna put it back on, just like how we did with the other one. Dip our, don't mind the bag, dip our dish soap inside and, why is it curling up? So I just wanted to try this again because I think I needed to replace the water because it was really soapy. So I don't know if that was going to affect like the way that the boat was gonna move. So I have another piece of paper cut out and then I'm going to get my bag of soap and dip my Q-tip in, have a little glob. And then I'm gonna put my boat on top of the water. And then, let's see. Oh yay, that was something. That's cool. Let me see if I can move it around. There's definitely some movement. All right, cool. So I finally was able to do this correctly. The reason why this happened is because the soap breaks down like the tension of like the water on top, and as the tension is broken up, it creates like enough force to move around the, well, let me do it, around the boat. So that's pretty cool. I think it would work better if I didn't have such a soggy little boat. But overall, really cool. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.